As you can see guys over here, very familiar interface like ChatGPT, but I'm running this locally. You can see here localhost, and I'm using GPT-OSS 20B LLM model that I installed earlier. So if you want to install your local LLM, you can check out this video here. It's very easy to do. Now let me show you how to install this beautiful interface so we don't need to look at this thing all the time. CMD. First of all, we need to check out the Python version. So Python version, you can see my Python version here. Don't forget to check out the video if you didn't download it. Next, we just run this pip install WebUI command and just wait for the process to finish. After that, after you installed everything, we need to open our user interface. So we run this command Open WebUI server. So it will build a secret key. I will do a video about this, how to make this faster. I was checking something how to make this faster because it deploys every time, so it's a little bit slow. So drop some subscription if you want to be notified about this video. So we open our local host. As you can see, I typed in localhost here in my Chrome, and you can see it automatically. You can see the work on your command prompt, and you will have the interface. And if you follow my previous video and installed this or any other model, you will see it here. It automatically recognize your model, and you can just, if this video was helpful, consider dropping some comments below, like this video, and subscribe if you want to learn more about these things, and see you in some other video. Bye bye.